Why are there not more people talking about this super common Chevy Colorado issue? The dome light quits, and you're stuck in the dark. Here's the easiest way to get it shining again. First, safety. Pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable. Now, grab a flathead screwdriver and gently pry off the dome light cover. Check the bulb. Sometimes, it's just loose or burned out. Swap in a fresh bulb if needed. Still not working? Check the dome light switch. Make sure it's not stuck or accidentally set to off. Next, look at the fuse box, usually on the side of your dashboard or under the hood. Find the dome or interior lights fuse using your owner's manual. Pull it out and see if it's broken. Replace it with a new fuse of the same rating. Reconnect your battery, hop in, and test the light. If it's still dark, you might have a wiring issue, and it's best to call a pro. But most of the time, it's just a bulb or a fuse. Now you know how to fix your Chevy Colorado dome light, fast and easy.